this is our Defender 19110 V8 Edition 2 exhaust. So we've basically taken our first design and adapted it to make the best even better. We've got a transverse silencer which sits across the back here, so it looks like money when you see it underneath the car. We've got the carbon tailpipes. These now have a 3-inch finisher, so these are 100mm on the outside with a 76mm internal to give you an even deeper tone with the valve open. We've put a resonated centre box in it with an H-pipe, so you get a good pressure exchange from both banks. It gives you a really nice, robust V8 tone. When you close the valve, it diverts through these twin chambered passes, so you get perforated and chambered sections. So not only do you drop the volume, but you drop the bass. So it's got that real Jekyll and Hyde character. We also take it off the OEM valve protocol, and there's a good reason for that. The car originally features Tenneco sprung-loaded valves. These are constantly fighting back against themselves with a sprung-loaded mechanism so they stay shut. Manufacturers have to do this from OEM to try and get the car to meet all kinds of draconian noise legislation. Thankfully, when you put a Quicksilver on, you're no longer bound by that. Okay, so it looks like a Defender boot, right? We've left this exposed. If you follow me over to here, you'll note this little box. This is the sound architect, and this gives you control over the valve. Now, we've left the wiring exposed just to demonstrate the fact that you don't have to hardwire this system. You literally plug it into any 12 volt in the car. It can be this one, you can run it under the boot carpet. If you don't ever want to see it, you can hide it under the boot floor. And now you can take control of the valve. Again, one of the benefits of the Quicksilver is that you don't actually need the engine to be running to switch the valve. When you unlock it and the sound architect starts drawing power, there you go, the valves are now shut. When you're manoeuvring off your drive, nothing, as soon as you get out of town. So you can go from, you know, pretty much OEM sounding, and I would like to reiterate, this thing is very, very quiet and civilized on the motorway. So as you can hear, we're now going uphill 40 miles an hour. The car's bogged down in its normal gearing mode. And the aircon and the tyre noise is louder than the exhaust noise, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I mean, you and I can have a wonderfully delightful conversation, and it's not interrupted.
We can talk about business.
Yeah. But be warned, this system, as you can see, is now raining angers the gods in loud mode, so it really doesn't disappoint. Well, you know the drill, guys. If you like what you saw, subscribe and hit the bell below. There will also be a link below as well, where you can find all the details more about this system, and go to our website and find your local dealers. I'm going to turn the camera off before basically, well, I don't know, get proper rained on.
English summer.
Yeah. And see you on the next one.